Hi guys, and welcome back to another Joey's Table. Today I'm eating some Bluebird, which is a fantastical chicken place. And I'm in a new room, obviously. So I know it works. Took off another room so I can make a video for you guys. This is like a buffalo chicken too. I'm totally am like a buffalo chicken eating mood. So super awkward day, but we're gonna just get through it, okay? I have fries. I have truffle fries, man. I have to be a little quieter because I have people next door and they probably can't hear me. I don't care if they can hear me, but I do care, so. Look at this with the buffalo chicken. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, this place is so good. They have such good chicken sandwiches. I love it. Super coated with buffalo sauce. I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking this is how my videos should usually go. I'm having such a good day today. It's super hot out. Trust me when I say it's super hot out today in Chicago, but man, is this chicken good. So Stephanie Sue, who I love watching, she does a lot of storytelling, but in her first videos, she used to talk about her love life, her sex life, which I don't have to get into nasty, gross details with you guys, but I have stories that you guys would want to hear. I just want to get consent first. I know there's no way for me to get a permission slip from all of my viewers. But I don't know, I just prefer to ask first. Just tell me if you're down for some crazy stories. Again, there's nothing gross or weird about them. I think it would just be crossing a new line, and I don't know if you guys think that'd be good for my channel. You guys are my viewers, so you gotta let me know, okay? It has the truffle seasoning on top. Or it's cooked in truffle oil. It's just so good. We should give me some ketchup. Also, don't forget to let me know what you think I should dye my hair, what color. Most likely I'll do it, but you know. This is going to be such a fast video. I wasn't expecting it to, but I always think their sandwiches are a little too small. That's why I haven't done it yet. Because I've been wanting to do Bluebird, but it's kind of pricey. This whole thing was $16 plus a tip. So, look at that box. It's extra oily, but that's great because that's like the best way to eat your fries. This is all for Grace too. So shout out to Grace. She requested I did this. Some of you guys have already met Grace. She was in my other eating video. It was the corn dog and cheese, which has been up on my channel for a little bit. Like I posted it on there. I don't know when you're watching this, so it might be different. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in with me as I try not to spill out all this food on a nice clean table. I had to swallow some of the starch in my throat. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, or subscription if you're new. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because you never know what I might post. I might post me eating like a Bluebird sandwich with like crispy buffalo chicken on it and like some french fries. So, you know, something you might like. I really do appreciate you guys for tuning in with me every single day. I really, really do appreciate it. I know I say that a million times, but I can't get enough of saying it, even to the viewers that probably watch me more than I would know. I am extremely appreciative because I keep an eye out for you. So, thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what color I should dye my hair. Tell me what I should eat next. Talk to me. Bye, guys.